How to add Apple Pay to Shopify Store. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our Shopify website and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, once you're logged in into your account, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the bottom left corner of the screen and then click the settings. Once you click the settings right there, what we're going to do is to click the payments, which is right there. And then once you click payment, you will see this payment providers. Now you will need to see this choose a provider. Now what we're going to do is to click choose a provider right there. And then in this part, you will see a bunch of third-party payment providers that you can use. So all you have to do is to look for third-party payment providers that includes the Apple Pay, which is right here, this one, and this one. Let's say, for example, that we want to use this one right here. So just click that right there. And then after that, I just click the install button right there. Now, while it is installing, I just want to say that Shopify has an ongoing deal right now wherein you will only need to pay $1 per month for the first 3 months. So if you want to avail that deal right now, all you have to do is to go down below the description and then of course the comment section. So you will see a link right there. All you have to do is to click it and then you will be redirected into this page and then just choose which one you like. And then going back into our video, so let's click install again. Now, once you do that, you will be redirected into this page. Now, as you can see, it says that you're not accepting payments. So all you have to do that is to manage your account. So you will need to create an account right there. And then all you have to do if you want to install it is to just uninstall that right there. Now, let's go back again into our payments. Now, if you wanted to add it in a different way, then what we're going to do is to go here on the supported payment methods. So what we're going to do is to just click add payment method right there. And then on the search bar, just search for Apple Pay. So if the Apple Pay pops up right here, then all you have to do is to click that. However, in my end, it is not available yet. So if it is available to you, all you have to do is to click that and that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how to add Apple Pay to Shopify Store.